If you're still manually transcribing hours of lectures, meetings, or even videos, you're wasting massive amounts of time. There is a much faster way to instantly extract exactly what you need without even losing accuracy. Clipto boasts 99% accuracy when converting video and audio into text, saving hours of tedious manual typing. This is going to save hours of time for students and professionals, and I can tell you right now, in my personal line of work, if I wasn't able to use a service like Clipto, I would be losing hours and hours just trying to manually do everything. It would just be super long. So for students, professionals, this is just an absolute no-brainer if you're interested in really getting ahead. It allows you to upload local files directly or simply just go ahead and drop a media link. For example, you can basically just drop a YouTube link, pop it in there, and it will start transcribing from that link automatically. It's actually really impressive. The fact that it has multiple import methods is really helpful, especially the convenience of URL input. Right, let's go ahead and check out the magic of Clipto right here. Right, so we're in the AI transcription section here. As you can see, as discussed in the intro, you can transcribe a local file, an offline file, an online file, and you can record and transcribe here. So for example, we're just dropping a YouTube link right in here for an online file that's for YouTube. So you've got the settings there, no translation, auto detection in place, enabled speaker identification as well. And you can actually change that to whatever language you like, but it's going to auto detect the language for us, and we'll go ahead and hit proceed. It's going to upload right now. It's in the queue. As you can see, it gives you the size, the date created, and everything like that. Wow, that was really fast. So the status is transcribed. Let's have a look at this now. You can also download the file and delete it as you wish. I'm going to go ahead and view it though, because that's what we're interested in. We're interested in seeing how accurate the transcription really is. Here it is, 10 minutes to start your day right. Motivational speech by Oprah Winfrey. You need to watch this. Yep, that's what the title said. And here it is. How good is that? So this is a YouTube video with Oprah Winfrey in it, giving a little speech. Let's have a listen.
Waiting for you. I'm just sitting here patiently waiting for you to step into it. It's all ready for you now.
See how it's like, yeah, it's synchronized really nicely. Maybe even at 100%, but at least 99% accuracy. Nice. Really good. Super accurate. Right, so we're using the Summarize the Transcript feature right here, summarizing the most important decisions from this meeting. So you go ahead, you watch an inspirational video like this, and if you don't summarize it, break it down, you're going to lose all the information. So it's a long video, maybe 20 minutes. You want to get the most important few minutes. And look at this, most important decisions, things you need to do. Shift the show to intentional television. Commit every single segment to uplifting, enlightening, encouraging viewers while still entertaining. Launch own network. Partner with Tyler Perry. So it's got all of the most important things in there that you need to remember, whatever it might be. Yes, as mentioned, we can basically go through and have all of the different target languages there, which there's a huge library there to choose from, which is brilliant. Say, for example, we want to just turn that into Polish. Right, so let's basically check to see how this Polish translation works out. Wow, look at that. It's fully translated into Polish, just like that, side by side, so you can have a look and check it. Assuming you're bilingual, right? You can speak Polish and English, or at least read both. You can actually check that. That's super impressive. Really cool. So as we can see, that was transcribed. That was the video there in recent projects. Listen to this before you start your day from Oprah Winfrey. You've also got the Chrome extension there, which you could install, which is great for Google Chrome. So it just makes it really simple. You just pop the Chrome extension up on the top right of your screen there whenever you're ready to use it. You can also upload any past meetings or audio files and stuff too. Super easy when you're ready to record your meeting. So great little tool just to have there at your disposal. So when it was doing that generation, it was really cool to have those like multi-speaker tags there. And this really does help white-collar professionals like yourself to really just dissect the information from what might be like an hour-long meeting and just get all of the really important points down pat into maybe 5 to 10 minutes of crucial data in bullet points, so you can actually walk away from the meeting thinking, okay, I know what we need to action next. And yeah, I mean, how cool was the multi-language feature? So you can do international content. All sorts of doors open up with that translation feature. Stop wasting hours typing out notes manually. Head over to the official website, link pinned at the top of the video description, in the comments or just below, and sign up for Clipto and start transcribing your content with 99% accuracy today.